We'll guide you through how to change your Wix template quickly and easily. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Wix website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard of the site you want to change. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Click on Site Actions, and then choose Create New Site. This is because Wix does not allow you to directly change templates on an existing site, so you'll need to start fresh with a new one. After clicking Create New Site, you'll be asked to pick a category for your site. This step is crucial as it helps Wix suggest templates that best fit your needs. Once you've chosen a category, you'll see an option to choose a template. Browse through the available templates. You can filter these by categories or use the search bar if you're looking for something specific. Once you find a template you like, click Edit to start customizing it. Keep in mind that templates are fully customizable, so you can change colors, fonts, and layouts to suit your style. After you've made your choice and started editing, you can transfer content from your old site to the new one manually. This might include text, images, and other media. It's a bit of a manual process, but it's worth it for a fresh look. Remember to save your work frequently as you customize your new template. When you're satisfied with the new design, go ahead and publish your site. This will replace your old site with a new one using the updated template. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.